It's time to start gearing up for canning season. It's coming again. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Okay, Rebel Canners, this is a checklist. Let's go through it item by item and see if you're ready for canning season now that it's June. Take an inventory of all those empty jars and make sure you're going to have enough for what you have planned. It doesn't hurt to run them through the dishwasher. If you need more jars or lids, go to the Superb website. The link is below. Use the code RebelCanners10 to save 10%. Inspect your rings and throw out any that are rusted or twisted or that won't hold on a jar anymore. Inspect your water bath canner for holes and make sure that you still have the basket for lifting. If you have a steam canner, also inspect that for any holes. Think about taking your pressure canner and having the gauge inspected and tested. Make sure that you have all the parts. Seems like I always seem to be missing the weight and have to do a search for it. Make sure that your grinders and your food mills are all clean and you have all of the parts that you need to them. Very important. If you are missing any of the mesh screens that you need or need parts, Berlin Seeds has many in their catalog. Get your recipes in order and make sure that you know where they're at. You don't want to be searching for great grandma's spice peaches recipe at the last minute. Take an inventory of your spices and make sure you have everything on hand. I do have a playlist if you need ideas on what to stock. Look for bottled lemon juice on sale. I always try to stay 2 ahead. Make sure you have plenty of apple cider vinegar and white vinegar on hand. Lehman's Hardware in Kidron, Ohio has a great selection if you're missing any canning accessories. And now is the time to get your kitchen in order because you know it's going to be a busy time of year. Make sure you have enough bowls, spoons, clean out your refrigerator, and just go through your pantry and take an inventory and see what gaps you need filled. Also, make sure you have measuring spoons and measuring cups. Colander is nice to have on hand. Make sure to stock up on sugar. That's a big one. I always tend to not have enough. And there you have it, Rebel Canners. There's a few things that you can be doing right now to prepare your kitchen for canning season. It's coming on fast. It's June now. Time to get ready so that when the produce starts coming in, you don't have to make a trip to a store. You've got it all in hand in your pantry. You're ready. You're prepared. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. I hope you found this little talk helpful. Can all you can. If you like my content, be sure to subscribe and make sure that you've rang the bell so that you don't miss another episode.